In this video, we show how to replace the E3 drive backplane on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover, drive backplane cover, air shroud, and fan cage assembly removed from the system, to remove the E3 drive backplane, make sure you have any drives installed in that backplane removed from the system. Disconnect any cables running to that backplane from the HPM. Free that up, and then the power cable. Then loosen the captive screw that secures it in place. Slide the drive backplane towards the forward of the system, and then lift it and remove. To install an E3 backplane, align and lower into the system, and then slide it towards the back, and then tighten the captive screw to secure it in place. Then reconnect the power and data cables to the backplane, making sure to route them through their clips on the HPM. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.